the top news headlines, 30 stalls collapse at Shanghai Festival venue. And Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray to take oath as Chief Minister of Maharashtra. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now let's have the news in details. More than 30 stalls at Imphal's Lamboy Khongnangkhong, which is one of the venues of Manipur's Shanghai Festival, suddenly collapsed in the wee hours today. There were no reports of casualty in the incident. Authorities are yet to ascertain the cause of the incident. The Shanghai Festival 2019 entered its fifth day today. Despite entry exemption by the Manipur government for the ongoing Shanghai Festival to attract visitors, it has low record sale. But the annual tourism festival has witnessed a gradual increase in the number of visitors since the entry fee exemption came into effect. The Shanghai Festival this year has got tangled up in a boycott call given by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity (COCOMI) and the state government's decision to organize it as usual. The sales at Hapta Kangjaibung, the main venue, and Lamboy Khongnangkhong have hit a record low this year, sources said. All roads will lead to Shivaji Park today when Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray will take oath as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra after being chosen the leader of the Sena NCP Congress alliance, the Mahavikas Aghadi. Hectic activity was witnessed throughout the day at Shivaji Park, where a crowd of over 50,000 is expected to gather this evening as Uddhav Thackeray will take oath as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. According to media reports, all three parties have arranged for buses to ferry supporters to the venue from various parts of the state besides Mumbai. Shivaji Park has a special significance for the Shiv Sena as its founder, the late Balasaheb Thackeray, would address people at the ground every Dussehra, a tradition Uddhav Thackeray still continues. Balasaheb Thackeray was also cremated in a corner of Shivaji Park where Cynics revere as Shiv as a holy place. 2 days after the failed rebellion to join hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) in a bid to form the government, Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) leader Ajit Pawar returned, addressing party MLAs at a meeting yesterday. Jiribam Imam Market vendors are urged by a public toilet near the market complex. They have demanded the concerned authority to remove the unauthorized urinal located close to the foreigner checkpost along the National Highway 37. Due to lack of proper maintenance of the urinal, the market vendors, all women, are facing an awkward situation every day. Talking to TOMTV, one of the vendors, Nambram Santibala, expressed that the unauthorized urinal constructed near the market causes problem to the market vendors as well as to the customers. She added that the effort by Jiribam Municipal Council to prohibit public from using the urinal has remained unfruitful. On the other hand, M. Dinamani Singh, a senior citizen who runs a tailor shop at the market, said that the market vendors had opposed the construction of the urinal, but the authority did not listen to their voice.
ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯇꯣꯏꯂꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯆꯪꯗꯦ.
Let's take a short commercial break. More updates after the break.
Young what?
Soktabadu lodi.
Wabdu koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy. Rebalance.
Welcome back after the break. Former chairman of the proscribed United National Liberation Front, UNLF, R.K. Sanayaima alias R.K. Megan, who was released from the Guwahati Central Jail on November 9, is set to return home after 44 long years. He will arrive at Imphal this afternoon, according to sources. The former rebel leader was whisked away from Assam by the NIA on November 10 last after his release from prison and kept at an undisclosed guest house in Delhi. The reason behind his detention after coming out from prison, as per sources, is that the timing was not conducive for Megan to come back to Manipur for security reasons. A human rights activist had filed a case of arbitrary detention to Manipur Human Rights Commission and other national counterparts in this regard. With an objective to maintain cleanliness inside the premises of Hypo Jadonang Park at Imphal, a social service camp was conducted today at the park. It was jointly organized by local youths of Puiluan Kambiron, the birthplace of Hypo Jadonang, a freedom fighter, and Jadonang Park Development Committee, Imphal. More than 30 volunteers cleaned the park. Talking to TOMTV, president of Puiluan Kambiron Youth Organization, Singamlung Dangmay, said that due to lack of proper care, the Jadonang Park is now lying in a pitiable condition.
Mahaki Park haina Shembire 2015 adwaidagi Shembi bani asi park sidi Shembire akhoi yam thagatli adubu hojik lairiba park sida Shembiraga caretaker amho thambidaba lairiba park ki manung sida amot akai mayam leiba karimta sengdok pidaba mapu leitaba kainogi type ta akoi gi hui sa sangi kaino leifam adumane tawrga leire hojik park Hypo Jadonang Park se aduna asi mafam sida caretaker ama thambiyo haibse akhoi gi demand ama tawjaningi.
Secretary of Hypo Jadonang Park Development Committee, Pantijay Numai, mentioned that the State Works Minister had earlier assured the committee that the government would take up improvement work in the park. He urged that the assurance should be translated into action at the earliest.
Hojik leiriba akhoi park sigi phibam ase akhoi gi hojik puriba sarkar da amasung mamangi sarkar da su hanjin akhoi kayarak memorandum pije khare handak ta su akhoi gi honorable work minister la aga park sigi award apa khuding mak mahaki loina mahaka loina rakpa akhoi MLA kayana la aga park sigi phibam loina yengkhrabani aduna akhoi gi committee gi site gi Pikat kiba demand sing maya madu athubada madu thabok oina pangthok pinanaba sarkar gi puning park ki mai kai degi singsinjari haibidi ngasi leiriba park si ki phibam masi yengbu matam de yamna thamoi sokningai oiba film de leire.
The government of Manipur set up this very park in the year 2015, but due to the lack of the attention from the state government and the related department, when we look around, the park is still lying in a very, very dilapidated condition. The committee of the Haipo Jadonong Park, along with the volunteers of the villages from Haipo Jadonong native place called Puiluan, Kambiron, is coming here today to undertake the social work in cleaning around and digging up all the dirt and all the logs that has been lying around in the corners and adjacent to the park for the past many days. They drew the attention of the state department and the related department or any concerned department so that the park could be developed and make it in such a very beautiful condition. With camera person Audit Mangsatamam, this is Blessing Gangmay for TOMTV News, Haipo Jadonong Park, Kaisampat, Infal.
The New Year Festival of the Thai people, Poipi Motai 2114, commenced in Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. It is being held at the festival ground of Nalung near the Kongmu Kham or the Golden Pagoda. The festival, which will conclude on November 29, is being celebrated by the Thai county as per their lunar calendar. Arunachal Pradesh Home Minister Bamang Felix graced the inaugural day amidst the presence of a host of legislators of the state. Deputy Chief Minister Chow Namein and Namsai MLA Chow Jingmu Namchum were also present on the occasion. The chiefs and members of CBOs, HODs, including the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police, were also present. Cultural troops representing various Thai ethnic communities, including those from Assam and Manipur, also participated in various activities on the first day of the fest. More than 227,000 Indians are waiting in line for family-sponsored green card or legal permanent residency, according to reports. Currently, there are about 4 million people waiting in line for family-sponsored green cards against a congressional cap of 226,000 per annum. The largest number of 1.5 million wait list is from America's southern neighbor Mexico, followed by a distant India with 227,000 and China with nearly 180,000. Majority of those in the family-sponsored green card waiting list are siblings of U.S. citizens. Under current law, U.S. citizens can sponsor their family members and blood relatives for green cards or permanent legal residency. President Donald Trump is against such a provision, which he calls as chain immigration, and wants to abolish this. The opposition Democratic Party is vehemently opposed to abolish family-sponsored immigration system. Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Smart Tutorial Center revision course for class 10 and 12 will start from 9th December and foundation course will start from 13th December. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostel for boys and girls available. For details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamai Supermarket, Radhesham Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730 999 192.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina Afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tawagi awaba lehendaba school du da adum changnai na coaching tohonba
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
gym aerobic dance football thangta
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
khwaidagi chawba nanba khwaidagi phaba school
Last ba khong kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Congress President Sonia Gandhi today hit out at the BJP, accusing it of making shameless attempts to subvert democracy in Maharashtra and to blatantly sabotage the three-party alliance from coming to power in the state. Addressing the Congress Parliamentary Party meeting in Parliament House, she also attacked the governor of the state and said that he acted in an unprecedented and reprehensible manner as per a report. The month-long political drama in Maharashtra will culminate today with the swearing-in of Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray as the 18th Chief Minister. Thackeray, 59, will be the third Sena leader after Manohar Joshi and Narayan Rane to occupy the top post. The momentous occasion comes after weeks of political wrangling in the state saw the Sena and its ally BJP break their 30-year-long ties over the Chief Minister's post. US President Donald Trump signed Human Rights and Democracy Act into law had mandated an annual review to check if Hong Kong has enough autonomy to justify its spatial status with the US. According to media reports, had signed the law out of respect for Chinese President Xi Jinping, China, and the people of Hong Kong. The new bill received mixed opinions from Hong Kong government, reports said. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Lionel Messi scored in his 700th match for Barcelona and also set up goals for Luis Suarez and Antoine Griezmann as the Catalans beat Borussia Dortmund 3-1 yesterday to seal a spot in the Champions League knockout stages as Group F winners. Messi set up Suarez to put Barca ahead at the packed Camp Nou in the 29th minute before the Uruguayan returned the compliment for the Argentine to establish another Champions League record on his landmark night with 4 minutes later. Messi's left foot strike meant he had scored against a 34th different team in the Champions League, surpassing the mark that he had shared with Cristiano Ronaldo and Raul. Substitute Griezmann finished off a defense-splitting pass from Messi to further stretch Barca's lead in the 67th minute, a much-needed goal for the Frenchman's confidence after failing to score in his previous 6 appearances for the club. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. UNLF Chief R.K. Meghan said to return home after 44 years. Chief Minister urges Kokomi to lift boycott of Shanghai Festival. Centre considering a clause for notice in CAB, says Chief Minister. MOU for prevention of trafficking inked. Protests against CAB continue in Assam. The People's Chronicle. Demands fulfilled. Left boycott. Chief Minister Biren appeals to Kokomi. Amit Shah disclosed that he himself is considering insertion of a clause in the interest of people of Manipur in CAB. Verbal assurance not satisfactory, says Kokomi. UNLF ex-chairman Sanayama to arrive today. Fegokta suspends stir after deal with minister. Government aims to upgrade added schools. Minister led POW 6 helped to save endangered pony. Imphal Free Press. Government has fulfilled demands, so lift Shanghai Fest boycott, says Chief Minister. Kangpokpi-born Darjeeling MP raises question on Loktak in Parliament. Education Minister pacifies Fegokta with written assurance. Not suicide. Baharuddin killed by girlfriend's family, JAC claims. Teacher allegedly assaults student in Chandel. The Morning Bell. Foreign exhibitors appeal for extension of Sangai Festival for better sales. Chief Minister appeals Kokomi to lift boycott of Sangai Festival as demands fulfilled. Centre to insert clause in CAB for notice, says Chief Minister. Baby Sana case. JAC demands SIT to submit case documents to CBI. KH Robinson granted bail. 327 appointed orders for government-aided schools distributed. UNLF Chief R.K. Meghan to finally land in Imphal today.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. "30 stalls collapse at Sangai Festival venue." And Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray to take oath as Chief Minister of Maharashtra. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.